On this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to set up a Google AdSense account for YouTube. But before we get into that, let me quickly share you guys some basics that you need to know before creating your Google AdSense account. The first thing you need to know before creating your Google AdSense account is that it's totally free. You don't need to pay a dime in order to create your Google AdSense account. Also, the requirements are super easy to help creators to make money here on YouTube. Also, it's quite easy to use. It's not that hard to use. And you are going to be needing a Google account in order to create your AdSense account. So let's switch to my PC real quick so I can show you guys the procedure to create your first Google AdSense account. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, so simply start by going to adsense.com. So once you get here, just click on sign up. Then they are going to ask you which email you want to use. Make sure that you use the email that is connected to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be using a random email, although the email already have a YouTube channel, but I don't want to use my main YouTube channel. So since we are not using it for a website, we are using it for our YouTube channel, just click on I don't have a site. This is not for a website. Then as for this part, is all about receiving notification from AdSense. So if you want to keep receiving notifications, you can just click on yes, but if you don't want to, click on no. Then select your country. So once you've done selecting your country, just scroll down and click on I've read and accept the agreement, and then click on start using AdSense. And that's it for that. It's going to create your AdSense account. So it's actually quite easy. So every other thing that has to do with setting up the AdSense, I'm going to do that in another video, but this is how you create your AdSense account. It's super easy. Then once you've done this, all you have to do is come to your YouTube channel, and then you go to the monetization section. But first of all, you have to go to your YouTube studio in order to access that section. So let's go to my YouTube studio. So right now, after you've created your AdSense account, you can come here, and then if you've been monetized, just scroll down and go to this this end section, or rather it was formerly called monetization section, and then click on it. So as you can see, mine is showing ineligible because I have a strike. But apart from the strike, I haven't been monetized yet on my channel. So as you can see, I haven't been monetized yet on my YouTube channel. But if you've been monetized, you'll be able to use this section to start putting adverts and ads on your YouTube channel and stuff like that, and start making money here on the YouTube platform. Now, another important thing that you need to do is to make sure that your channel is verified. So if your channel is not verified, it's definitely going to affect your whole journey of making money on YouTube. So to check that, simply go to settings, and then once you get to settings, click on channel, and then come to feature eligibility. So as you can see, mine is enabled. Everything here is enabled, so you can tell that my channel is fully verified. So if you haven't done this, make sure that you enable each and everything here, or else it's going to affect the whole you making money on YouTube process. So make sure you do this on your YouTube channel, and everything is going to come easy, and you start making money with your AdSense account. Now, in order for you to make a lot of money here on YouTube, you need to start having a lot of views on your long form videos. So if you are having issues with having views with your long form videos, then I would suggest that you watch this video right now to learn on how to upload correctly on YouTube, so you can start getting much more views, and YouTube will start recommending and pushing your videos out to a wider audience, which is going to lead to a higher revenue on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be suggesting that video at the end of this video, so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, at the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos. You might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that, to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.